Hey everyone, I'm Manik, and in this video, I will show you an AI powered predictive maintenance system that can automatically monitor machine health and instantly send telegram alerts when maintenance is needed. So, in industries, machines often break down unexpectedly, leading to a downtime and huge repair costs. What if we could predict these failures before they happen? That's exactly what this system does. So, I trained an XGBoost model on sensor data from different engines. This model learns the relationship between sensor readings and the remaining useful life of the machine. So based on the model, I deployed it in Flask web app that can continuously analyze incoming sensor data. So let's see how it works. So here I'm running the Flask app. So when the Flask app starts, it loads the trained model and the sensor dataset. Every time new data is received or each time I hit the predict endpoint through the front end, the model predicts the machine health score. And if the score drops below zero point 0.4, the system instantly sends a telegram message like this. So it will tell you that there's a quick maintenance needed for that machine. So we can see that here. So here we can see the front end part. Yeah. So here we get started. So if you want to register, you can, but I'm already registered, so I will log in. So here you can see the life sensor data and the remaining useful life of the machine graphs being plotted based on the sensor data readings from the CSV file. So here you can see that the plot is basically above the RUL plot is basically above a certain level. Whenever it reaches below zero point 0.4, it instantly sends a message to the telegram. So you can see this is the database, the user database, the feedback database, and the questions database is being stored in the MongoDB. And here you can access your profile like I'm a general user. And here you can provide your feedback that, yeah, the results were satisfactory. And then here are reports of the model trained. Here you can see the features and the RUL graph being plotted and their importance, the correlation heat map, and further box plot. Also, if you want, there is a feature for this where you can, yeah, here you can mark your weekly or monthly maintenance as per your choice. If basically you want that to mark a reminder like maintenance on 4th of November, so here you can mark, and also you can update it. If I want, I can mark it on 11th, another second maintenance for the month. So these maintenance are being stored and these reminders are given to the user based on what they mark in the calendar. So yeah, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you like this project, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.